Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we are putting two AI writing tools head to head, Getgenie AI and Textero AI. Both are powerful in their own way, but which one should you choose? Let's find out. Let's look at their main focus. Getgenie AI focuses on SEO-driven content plus WordPress integration, while Textero AI focuses on academic and essay writing assistance. Let's look at their AI capabilities. Getgenie AI is capable of blogs, product pages, and keyword optimization, while Textero AI focuses on research-based essays, reports, and structured writing AI capabilities. Now let's look at who they are best for. Getgenie AI is best for bloggers, marketers, and SEO specialists, while Textero AI is best for students, researchers, and academic writers. When it comes to ease of use, Getgenie AI has plugin plus web app and it's also SEO workflow friendly, while Textero AI is web-based but has quick draft generation. Lastly, pricing. Getgenie AI is affordable for SEO users, while Textero AI has a freemium plus premium plan for heavy use. So here's a breakdown. Getgenie AI is perfect for marketers and bloggers. It doesn't just write, it helps your content rank higher with SEO tools and direct WordPress integration. Textero AI, however, is designed for students and researchers. It quickly generates essays, reports, and academic-style content, making studying and project work a lot easier. So, what's the verdict? Getgenie AI equals best for business growth and SEO. Textero AI equals ideal for academic writing and research help. So I guess we can say it all depends on whether you want to win on Google or ace your assignments. So which one would you pick? Getgenie AI or Textero AI? Drop your choice in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick AI and finance comparisons right here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.